Now let's watch these cars. You're seeing a lot of distracted driving.
It's a great eye-opener to see what people are distracted by.
A couple intersections didn't have crossing signs.
They have signs for a reason.
It's a pretty dangerous situation out there.
Today's teens find a variety of ways to get around, and while they have access to numerous driver safety programs as they prepare to get their licenses, there is not much to really help them understand how to read the entire roadway system and understand how everyone who uses roads needs to see the bigger picture.
What we want to do is help you, train you, get you ready to be able to read the road.
Some of America's leading traffic safety organizations are working to change this by conducting Teen Roadway Safety Assessments, also known as RSAs, to help students examine how safety is affected not only by driver behaviors, but also by how the design, signing, and pavement markings and other aspects of roadway infrastructure all contribute to their overall safety. Teens are particularly vulnerable to roadway dangers, and each year thousands of teens die in car crashes. Although distraction and poor decisions are critical factors, they are often compounded by teens' inexperience and their inability to react to roadway conditions.
The new program really is to help the youth learn how roadway safety is just as important as their behavior, so that their behavior needs to be correct, but understanding the roads and how the roads are built and what they can do to see improvement in those areas also helps them be safe on the highways.
We're actually teaching teens about the roadway and how important the roadway safety infrastructure is. There are a lot of examples that we can give about signage and markings and median cable barrier that, save lives, prevent people from crossing over, from one side of the roadway to the other, educating people that these devices are life-saving devices that can be installed on the roadway.
Not only are these teens actually interacting with cars on the roadway as pedestrians or bicyclists or skateboarders, but these are going to be our drivers in the future. And so for them to understand the highway designs and how it affects their ability to maneuver, their visibility, and what they can see is important.
I hope to really teach the kids about the importance of engineering, so they'll be more on the lookout as pedestrians and bicyclists and even as drivers to what's around them.
This gives you a chance to apply the math skills, the science skills, a lot of civics. One of the things that I found great is a lot of these kids are interested in communications and media. Being able to be out there and poised and being able to share their views is tremendous.
This program has really opened up some eyes today. They never thought about a career in the engineering or transportation, so I love it.
The success of the initial Teen Roadway Safety Assessments has led to a call for taking the program nationwide. Organizers of the initial RSA events encourage others in the traffic safety community to get involved with this groundbreaking program. It's an easy formula to replicate on the local level, and your sponsorship of a Teen RSA can bring a host of benefits.
But it's really up to other people at the grassroots level working hard every day to bring about those changes in the education in transportation safety. The Roadway Safety Foundation, RSA, NOISE, and even schools like the Acceleration Academy, you can see it really takes a lot of people working very hard and working closely together to bring about change. And that change happens one student at a time, one person at a time, one driver at a time.
Our goals now are to grow this into a national program. So learning from these first two pilot programs and all the excitement that's out there among so many different partners and from the youth, they're ready to launch this and make this national. But now we're searching for other partners to help us build this into a national program.
We're really looking for other partners here. NOISE and RSA and the Roadway Safety Foundation and even NTSB has been working on this issue. But we would love to have more partners join us at the table.
RSAs allow parents, teachers, elected officials, and community leaders to help improve roadway safety, particularly for our teens. To help get started, a step-by-step guide has been developed for schools, community groups, and the transportation community to launch their own Teen RSA projects. Ultimately, this program is about keeping our teens safe. You can be part of making that happen and making a difference in students' lives.
Bottom line is, I believe in my heart we saved some lives today.
I feel like this should be in other schools too.